I'm just here to do a video I wanted to do over 6 months ago and show how to mod certain 3DS games, mainly New Super Mario Bros. 2, but I believe this technique would work for other games as well. All you have to do is go to a search engine and type in NSMB2 mods, click on the Game Banana link here, and you can download them all off this website. It's pretty easy. They got a whole bunch of different ones, but I've already downloaded some of the best ones and I have them in a folder right now, so I'm just going to show you how to work this. Should have loaded by now. Okay. Okay, I deleted the save folder for this emulator, so it'll just create everything fresh. Now what I'm going to do is go into Core Options. I'm going to scroll down to where it says Enable Custom Textures. You want to turn that on. I'm going to close content, and just to be safe, I'm just going to restart it. Now I'm going to close it again. I'm going to go to this folder, and for the app image it looks like there's nothing in here, but you just got to hit Control H, that's all. Okay, you want to go into Saves and Citra. And since you activated the textures, you're now going to have a load folder. You want to go in here, and that's the number code for the game I just ran. So I want to go to Rename, click Copy, go up a folder, and put a folder called Mods right next to the Textures folder. Go into this folder, create a new folder, and go to Paste. Now, I've already extracted one of these, so all I have to do is go in here, get the ROM-FS folder, copy it, go into this folder I just created, and paste it. Now you just want to go into Retroarch and run it, and it should be modded already. If it's a little bit laggy, don't be too upset. I'm not on a brand new machine. And this is 3DS. Yeah, that's at least a little laggy. Okay, we're skipping the intro because I hate those. Oh, nice. Why do they have to be stacked like that? Jeez. Here's the Halloween one. This is hard, though. At least for me it is. Sure, the almighty butt stomp. This one is called Finally a New SMB2 Christmas Mod. Huh, that's cute. This one's called SMB Next, The Lost Levels, Part 2.
Let's go.
Oh, I thought I could do that. No? Oh, I usually die if it's that complicated. Ah, whatever. They made the fireballs look pretty sweet. That's it, I'm done demoing these. I just wanted to show you really quick how to actually get these NSMB2 mods to work in the 3DS emulator. Thanks again for watching my video. I'll see you guys in the next one.